To my YouTube video. In this particular video, let's talk about how you'll be able to do your Ruby KYC step-by-step process. So that is what I'll be sharing in this particular video. So after actually my particular project for 1 year and some few months now, I've actually gotten my Ruby KYC invitation. I'm so excited that in fact those who are actually refer have actually gotten KYC invitation. But so it is just a matter of being patient, consistent, and because Ruby KYC invitation is just based on random, yes. So, but there's other things which you need to do for it to stay positioned. I've actually shared in some of my video, which I'll be making it available in the and also in the comment section of this particular video. So when I just log into mine, I always check this, like I always told you, this notification, I saw it. So I've actually read it. So this is it now. You can see KYC invitation has been sent to you. Please check and complete the KYC step to achieve network partnership certificate. So it is either you tap on it. If you still want to join a particular project, I'll be dropping my referral link in the and also in the comment section of this particular video. So don't forget to like, share. Click on the bell notification so you'll get notified anytime we upload any other video. Because this video is going to help a lot of people. Because it will be a detailed video on how you'll be able to do your Ruby KYC step-by-step process. So you come to this particular profile section here. So if I tap on this as global role, that means for those validators, I will not be going to details about it. So we have 64 validators. I've actually created a video on how to be a validator. I'm dropping it also in the particular video. So if you want to do your KYC, I'll tap on my profile section here. Then you come to user verification. You tap on it. Mind you, your NIN your NIN plastic card should be available because that's what I'll be using here. You tap on this particular one that says eKYC not verified. You could see you have to tap on it, then you have to tap on continue here. You could see this particular three have been checked. I've met up with those criteria. I tap on continue, then you can read about those things. Then you have to tap on this particular one to tick it before you be able to proceed. So this is it now. I have to pay to Ruby. I have insufficient Ruby in my wallet. So I'll tap on make reservation. So after that, you can read all this. I can snap this QR code for payment. I can share this QR code to friends that has Ruby that I've actually informed to help. So that is the two-way. A friend can help you pay, or if you have Ruby. So I will not tap on this. I have already paid because I have not paid. So I'll tap on this particular checkout here. I'll tap on it. Then I'll tap on this transfer. This is the address they asked me to transfer it to. Then I'll tap on this particular transfer section here. You could see it's telling me to create a pin. I'll tap on this particular create a pin. Then this is where I will come down to now. Because if you tap on this one, it's your app will actually go offline. So let me tap on switch wallet. You tap on it. So this is my wallet now that I have to send it from. Let me do that thing because of security reasons now. So like what I told you, if you remember where I actually stopped, if you tap on it, so it will ask you to put your wallet seed phrase. After you have done everything, you go back to your profile section just the way we started it. Then if you tap on this particular transfer now, you can see now it's showing me to input my pin because I have pin already. So you just need to log in your wallet details so that it will be able to connect to this particular wallet that you are transferring to. So let me quickly insert my pin right now. Actually inserted my pin. Let me tap on done. So it is actually rolling. So I think the payment must have been made now. So I will have to tap on already paid. You see amazing success. You have successfully paid the KYC global fees. Please press KYC now to continue. So I will have to tap on KYC now. So this is what they asked me to do now. Ruby is a community project based, so I have a national ID card, not passport. So I will not be using my passport. I'll be using national ID card. So I'll tap on continue here. So you say you are using a paid KYC request, which you have a maximum to post in the process. So let me tap on I got it. So I have to fill this particular document, everything. then before I'll be able to continue. So let me quickly do that. So I've actually completed everything they asked me to do. So I will not be revealing sensitive information. So you tap on I have read the this thing. So if you have tapped on that, so after you have now done everything, you now tap on send KYC. So you allowed it to load. It's actually loading now, sending my KYC. So I'll be waiting for approval. So this is it now. After that, this is what you get now. You see, you say KYC queue and status. You say priority level 3Q index. So this is the index waiting for approval. So this is the waiting period now, which you have to wait for. Priority level verification process expected to take 7 days, but I don't think it will actually wait for 7 days. So you can actually view your details. So that is it. So this is like share. Click on the notifications to get anytime another video. Like, thank you and bye bye for now.